Nandito tayo guys sa Idaho Street.
Brought to you by the U.S. Forest Service, your state forest and the Ad Council.
With the Wall Street Business Report, I'm Rich Thomason. Apple price hike.
Good morning. Dito tayo.
Lineup includes a new slimmed down model.
Ganito ang Elko, Nevada guys. Pag morning,
iPads and Mac.
hindi medyo matraffic kasi
Federal court has ruled that Battle Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook can remain in her
it's
job while
almost
she
10
fights
o'clock
President
here.
Trump's efforts to fire
Now
her.
10 o'clock already.
Trump cites
Just turned
allegations
10
of
o'clock.
mortgage fraud. Cook's attorneys argue a president can only fire a Fed
Sinong
governor.
nakapunta dito?
Shares of Oracle surged
Ang
more
nakapunta
than
lang dito ang
32%
nakarelate.
hours trading.
Ganitong
After
small
reporting
town.
the signing of 4 multi-billion-dollar contracts that
Small
would push its
town.
cloud infrastructure revenue up 77% this fiscal year.
Elko, Nevada.
For the Wall Street Business Report, I'm Rich Thomason.
Tingnan nyo guys, may yung mga puno green pa rin. So mag-change yan guys pag mag-start na yan, mag-change na yellow yung mga puno dito guys. Green pa sila. Then turn this way. We're going to the doctor. So,
White House correspondent Greg Clugston has it's been 30 days since the Trump administration federalized DC's
kami
police
guys.
surge of law enforcement.
Kumusta mga peeps?
Congress did not extend the order. However, the National Guard and some other federal agencies will continue their deployment, and it's not clear when that might end.
Yan, maraming puno dito no?
To other cities,
Pag ma-winter na guys, ano siya?
Greg Clugston
Puno na lang, walang leaves. Matatanggal lahat.